Welcome to my channel, where I share lots of recipes, tips and business strategies for aromatherapists, reflexologists and other holistic therapists. This mini-series is all about making 4 easy and effective aromatherapy products that will help your clients, they will help you, and they'll boost your income. Today's episode is all about the menopause mist. This is absolutely amazingly quick and effective for hot flushes. It literally is like turning off a tap for the hot flushes, or if you're in the US, you will call them hot flashes. So I'm going to share how to actually make that, what's in it, and also how to use the product to help your clients and to boost your income. To get notifications when I create a new video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. To make the menopause mist, you will need a spray bottle, preferably glass. They can be hard to come by. So what you can do is actually store it in a dark glass bottle or some kind of a ceramic container to keep the oils away from light and heat. And then just put what you want for the day into a plastic spray bottle, which is easier to get. You'll need water, aloe vera gel, rose water, and essential oils of bergamot, cypress, geranium, and rose. To make the mist, it is so easy, like all the products in this little series. What you do is you add cooled boiled water to the bottle so that it's almost filled but not quite. You basically want to leave room for your aloe vera gel and rose water. And then what you do is you combine 1 teaspoon, which is 5 ml, of aloe vera gel and 1 teaspoon of rose water. And to that you add 1 drop each of bergamot, cypress, geranium and rose essential oils, and then add the aloe vera rose water mixture to your water. Give it a good stir and a bit of a shake so that it's well mixed up in the water. To use the mist, you close your eyes and spray over the face and neck area as desired. You can basically spray it anywhere, but the face and neck area is kind of really handy. And then repeat as desired. So I found that absolutely fantastic. You'd have a hot flush. I feel like I just had a shower. As in, I was so damp, I feel like I had a shower. I'd spray on the mist and that would be the end of the flush. Now, obviously, as with any product, you can't promise everyone is going to get the same results. But this is typical because I've shared it with so many women going through the menopause and they've all reported something similar. So why am I using these particular oils? Bergamot, it's a beautiful uplifting oil. I call it the little oil of stress because it's calming and uplifting at the same time. Cypress is really the magical ingredients in this recipe. Cypress is a fantastic hormone balancer and it also controls excess fluid, including sweat. Geranium, I call the woman's oil. It's also a fantastic hormone balancer and it's great for PMT and menopause symptoms. But I really do think that you need to have cypress as well if you want a product that's very effective for hot flushes or hot flashes if you're in the US. Rose essential oil, it's such a beautifully nurturing oil. It's a hormone balancer. It's great for anxiety, stress and depression. So just to go quickly through the cautions. Don't use bergamot essential oil on skin that will be exposed to bright sunlight or a sunbed within the next 48 hours. And don't use cypress, geranium or rose essential oil for pregnant women. Now I know the pregnancy is not really relevant for this particular recipe, but just in case your pregnant friend decided she wanted to try it out. No, she can't. How would you use the menopause mist for your clients to enhance treatments and to help your business? You could offer it to your clients to prolong the benefits of a treatment. So there are so many treatments that will help with menopause, and if the client had a spray bottle to take home to use as they want it, that is going to make a massive difference. You could also offer it as part of a reward and referral scheme, and I've mentioned in other episodes, reward and referral schemes are really good ways to boost your bookings and your referrals. You could also offer it as a treatment upgrade. So someone's coming in for a treatment, they're suffering from menopause symptoms. For an extra €5, you can include the menopause mist in the treatment. And it really, as I said before, it really makes such a difference. The next product in the series is going to be about a body and bath oil for those days when you're feeling tired and cranky. And it will cover how to use it for your clients as well as for yourself. If you're enjoying this series and you're loving learning about the products, why not check out my Lotions and Potions course? I have the link just below for you. In that course, you'll learn how to make sugar scrubs, body balms, lip balms, moisturizers, aromatherapy inhalers, nourishing sanitizers and bath bombs. So there are step-by-step walk-through videos for each of those products, plus extra essential oil recipes. And one of the beauties of that course is that it's certified, so that even if you're not an aromatherapist and you're not qualified to use essential oils for your clients, you'll be covered to use the products and the essential oils covered in the course. You will need to stick with the recipes, etc., and with those products, but it gives you a great range of products to use for your clients. If you would prefer to read any of the lessons about the products, I have the link for my blog post below as well, and the blog post also includes the video and the podcast episode. So thanks a million for listening, and I will see you for the next one.